Hello children, today we are going to discuss about conjunctions. So conjunctions, I had sent you a audio on conjunctions, how to use them. So totally we call them as fanboys. So there are 7 conjunctions normally we use, but still we have some other conjunctions like because, at, while, which we use according to the context. So because, when do we use because? To tell a reason. So I can say my mother got angry because I am making noise. I didn't get a chocolate because I didn't complete my homeworks. In this way, we can use by giving a cause. While we use the word while when something is happening. While I am going to school, I met an unknown person. So in this way means while something is happening, if something is happening, then we can say while. Yet will be given when you like something but you are still not able to do. I like to eat, yet I am unable to eat, maybe because of some tooth pain or something else. So in this way we use even, until, after. These are also the words which use according to the context. Now let us see the first one. I sat and read the book means while sitting only he is doing that action, there is no difference. So action is continuing, so we can use and there. Now the shops were closed dash I could not buy a book. So shops closed, so there is a reason that the shops were closed. So what happened then? I could not buy the book. So according to the context of the explanation which I gave you, try to find whether it is a reason, whether they are telling something. Basing on that, you want to find the answer. Dash in Baroda, he learned painting. So in Baroda means maybe the person is staying in Baroda. He learned painting. So you can use according to the context. Can we say since in Baroda, while in Baroda, as in Baroda, because in Baroda? So anything doesn't start with because. You just try to remember that. Maybe in any question, don't try to give an answer starting with because. This work is difficult, dash, I will do it. So work is difficult. Is the person saying that I can't do? No, he's saying that he can do. So what can we use there? Children, according to the context, try to answer each and every question using the option. If you try to use the option exactly by reading 2 or 3 times, you can get the answer. Basing on this, you try to complete the things from 1st to 20, where you want to read very carefully and try to find the answer just according to the context. If you see that 20th, you should wash your hands dash taking food. Normally we do this one. This is the action. When we do, according to that, we want to write it. Children, get a habit of reading properly 2 or 3 times and try to find the answer. Now, if you see the B1, look at the given picture carefully and complete the paragraph by choosing the most appropriate conjunction. Observe carefully the picture, what the children are doing. Basing on that, your paragraph will be there. And the options are given from 21 to 25. Read it carefully. I will read for you once. So you try to read and find the answer in this. This is a picture of a classroom. There is a chair dash a table for the teacher. A student is cleaning the table dash the other is cleaning the blackboard. All the 4 students are working dash. How are they working? There is no teacher in the room. Their classroom looks good dash they clean it daily. The principal dash the teacher are happy with the students. Now use each and every option carefully and try to complete the answer. Now if you go to the achievers section, choose the correct conjunction to complete each sentence. My sister got first prize dash she danced well. So what is the reason it is given? She got first prize. So the reason is there here. So what do we want to use? My exams are near dash I am studying hard. So if exams are near, what do we do? What is that? It is happening, we are doing that. So what do we use? Can we say because I am studying hard, so I am studying hard, but I am studying hard, or for I am studying hard? So use them carefully. Now if you go to the 29th, Mohan came dash your left. So Mohan came Maybe he already left, the person, other person had already left. So what word do we use? Coming to 30, Reena is very intelligent. She's a very intelligent student, dash smart. She is smart also. Dash, she cannot solve the puzzle. A smart and intelligent student must solve the puzzle. She cannot solve the puzzle. So what do you use there? So according to that, you want to do. So previously we thought that when we are able to do, but still we are unable to do, what we want to use it. So basing on the context, you want to use the word there. Okay, children, complete it and send to WhatsApp.